Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you the Galaxy Tab 5e. So this is an extremely thin tablet. I will say it's actually definitely thinner and lighter than the Tab S4. You can definitely feel it. And it looks really good overall and very slim profile. So really nice and thin and looks really good. Speakers all around, Type-C connection, 2 speakers up top. And then you have it over here as well, 2 more speakers and a noise cancellation microphone. So really good looking. I am excited to test this tablet out. Honestly, this is probably the one I'm really recommending out of all the current Samsung lineup. I have the Tab S4, I love it, I love the S Pen, but for most users, I think this is great. Over 14 hours of battery life. Multimedia push is gonna be really good on this and definitely something that a lot of people should check out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.